Seeing an incorrect password error on your Rogers Wi-Fi? Here's the fast fix. This issue often stems from SSID mix-ups, outdated cached passwords, or the need to reset your Wi-Fi key. First, ensure you're connecting to the correct network name or SSID, like Rogers XXX, and not a similar one. The most common fix is to forget the Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnect, carefully re-entering your password, found on your Rogers modem or in the Rogers app. A quick modem restart can also resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, the next step is a Wi-Fi key reset. If basic fixes fail, clear cached passwords on your device. For Android, go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, and forget the network. For iOS, in Wi-Fi settings, tap the info icon next to your network and choose Forget. As a last resort, use the Rogers Ignite app for a Wi-Fi key reset, which creates a new password. This helps after updates or security concerns, but disconnects all devices, so do it during off-peak times. Rogers is working on AI tools to automate this.